Hey YouTube, Jay Thompson here. It's been a really long time since I've made a video, but hey, I'm back. I got some new, better camera equipment, so I thought I would remake all my old videos, restart the channel, and make everything new and improved. So, starting with this video, this is the Schrade SCHF3N. Now this is a tank of a knife, basically a pry bar with a sharp edge. However, as all Schrade owners know, that the sheath that comes with them is total crap. It's made out of nylon, has a little plastic case in it. So, I got this for it. This is made by Cutlery. And as you see, the knife fits nicely into this case. Now, as you know, being leather, you have to do upkeep on it and to keep it looking nice. Now, I'm a detailer, so I usually have leather cleaner and conditioner, which I'm not really sure where that went. However, though, most of you guys, you're going to be out in the field, you're probably not going to have that. However, what you are most likely going to have on hand is this rendered animal fat, also known as grease. And how it works, which you're probably not going to have this either. You're probably just going to have a rag, which that's fine too. Take a little, dab it on a rag, and you work it into the leather. And you keep doing this until the whole sheath is covered. Now this, it'll help protect the leather, make it last a whole lot longer, and keep it nice and soft. Now, same goes for the knife itself. Even though this is stainless steel, you can still take a little bit of oil or grease, and you can cover the blade, and it'll keep it from rusting. Now this is how Native Americans, provided they were fortunate enough to have steel tools, this is how they protected them. Now, taking care of your knife, on the other hand, there's two ways of sharpening it. The old-fashioned way with a whetstone, or you can go out and get one of these and cheat. Which this is a whole lot easier than using a whetstone. Keep it nice and sharp, and it'll serve you well. But this, I just wanted to share with you, in case any of y'all were looking for a new case for your Schrade knives. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Jay Thompson out. See you in the next video.